Hey everyone, Matt here. Over the past few years, I had an incredible journey of scaling my AI automation businesses with the help of my amazing AI agent team. Today, I want to share with you the three best AI automation agency niche in 2025. But I am not just going to drop the niches and leave you hanging. I'm going to dive deep into each one, unpacking the problems you can solve, the solutions you can offer, and even the exact steps on how to reach out these potential clients effectively. So if you are ready to elevate your AI automation agency to new heights, stick around because this video packed with actionable insights you won't want to miss. Before we jump into the niches, let's talk about what actually makes a niche great in the first place. Trust me, choosing the right niche can make or break your success in this ever evolving AI landscape. Three key criteria I always consider. First, digital focus. Digital businesses are very set. They are scalable, easier to reach, and even more open to automation solutions. Think about it. Would you rather work with a local bakery that might not even use email extensively or thriving online platform that's already leveraging digital tools? 2. Mid-ticket pricing and above. Aim for businesses where a single deal is worth at least $1,000. These clients understand the value of investment and are willing to pay for solutions that drive results. 3. Minimal regulatory hurdles. Let's avoid industries bogged down by heavy regulations like healthcare or legal services. Fewer regulations mean faster implementation and fewer hoops to jump through, saving you time and headaches. Now, why these criteria? Because they ensure you are targeting clients who are not only receptive to AI automation but also have the resources and flexibility to move quickly. This means smoother projects and better outcomes for everyone involved. Alright, with that foundation laid, let's dive into the first niche. First up, high-touch SaaS companies. You might be familiar with SaaS companies, but did you know there's a significant difference between low-touch and high-touch? Low-touch SaaS is self-service. Think products like Dropbox or Slack, where users sign up online without ever speaking to a salesperson. High-touch SaaS, on the other hand, involves a more personalized sales process, often catering to enterprise clients with complex needs. These companies offer solutions that require demos, consultations, and ongoing support. So, why high-touch SaaS a goldmine? Lucrative deals. Contracts can be worth tens or even hundreds of thousands annually. Multiple pain points. With complex offerings, there's a plethora of areas where automation can streamline process and openness to innovation. They are already using cutting-edge tech and are open to AI solutions. Now, to win these clients, you need to identify target companies. Use tools like Apollo.io to filter SaaS companies with enterprise offerings. Get a decision maker contacts, employ any mail finder to get accurate email addresses of key executives. And most importantly, personalized outreach. Craft emails that address specific challenges they might be facing. For example, blah, blah, blah. I noticed that your X company is expanding its enterprise solutions. We help similar sales companies automate their lead generation and client onboarding processes, resulting in a 30% increase in efficiency. I'd like to share some insights that could benefit to your team. Best Math. So what you can offer them as a solution? You can offer automated lead generation systems. High-touch sales companies rely heavily on sales teams. You can develop AI-driven solutions that automate prospecting and initial outreach. You can offer them client onboarding automation. Streamline their onboarding process with automated workflows, ensuring a seamless experience for new clients. And you can find many more solutions for them. You can use workflows in our community, you can scale them production level, and you can offer as service to them. To recruitment agencies. Recruitment is an industry that's ripe for AI automation. They have high value per placement, with commission often 20 or 30% of a candidate's first year salary. The stakes are high. Also, data-intensive processes. Handling resumes, scheduling interviews, and communicating with clients. All areas where automation shines. Competitive edges. Agencies are always looking for ways to place faster and more efficiently than their competitors. So, how to sell them? Find agencies that hiring. Search job boards like Indeed or LinkedIn Jobs for agencies looking to expand. Scrape their details. Use Epify to extract company information from these jobs postings. And gather contacts. Again, an email finder is your friend for getting those crucial email addresses. Also, you have to use again tailored outreach. Here's an example. Hi X. I saw that your blah blah agency is growing its team. We developed AI-powered systems that automate candidate screening and interview scheduling, reducing time to hire by up to 40%. Interested in learning more? Question mark. Cheers, Matt. So, what solutions you can offer to them? You can offer candidate screening automation. Build systems that automatically filter resumes based on predefined criteria, saving recruiters countless hours. You can offer them interview scheduling tools. Implement AI assistants that coordinate availability, streamline the scheduling process. Also, you can offer them data analytics dashboards. Create dashboards that track key metrics like time to fill, source effectiveness, and candidate drop-off rates. So finally, let's talk about coaches and consultants. This niche has exploded in recent years, especially with the shift towards online learning and professional development. Why coaches and consultants? First, high-ticket services. Many offer programs ranging from 1,000 up to 50,000 or more. Also, they have content-rich businesses. They produce tons of valuable content, videos, articles, webinars that can be leveraged. Also, they have desire for scalability. They are eager to expand their impact without exponentially increasing their workload. So, most important question again. How to sell them? First, identify active coaches. Look for those with strong online presence on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Also, maybe you can see their ads if they are giving ads actively, they can be targeted. After it, create personalized assets. Use AI to generate something valuable for them. A set of content ideas, a mini competitor analysis, or even an enhanced transcript of their latest webinar. Also use multi-channel outreach. Send them an email and reach out via their social media channels. Personalize your message. Hi, blah blah. Loved your recent video on scaling businesses with AI. Inspired by your work, I put together some idea on how you could automate your client onboarding process to save you time. I attached a brief overview. Would love to discuss this further. Best map. So, what are the solutions to offer to them? We can offer them AI-powered client onboarding systems, automate the process of welcoming new clients, distributing materials, and scheduling initial sessions. Also, we can offer them content distribution automation, streamline how they share content across multiple platforms, maximizing their reach with minimal effort. Also, we can offer to them AI chatbots for FAQ handling. You can develop a chatbot that can answer common questions from prospective or current clients, freeing up their time. So, there you have it. The 3 best AI automation agency niches in 2025. First, high-touch SaaS companies, recruitment agencies, and coaches and consultants. Each of these niches is bursting with opportunities for those ready to dive in and offer real, actionable AI automation solutions. Remember, the key is not just knowing what niche is the target, but also how to provide value that addresses their specific needs. I encourage all of you to take these insights and run with them. Start reaching out, build those relationships, and let's make 2025 the year your AI automation agency soars. If you are hungry for more tips, strategies, and community of like-minded individuals, I invite you to join us over at Make Money with AI Agents, our school community. Let's collaborate and grow together. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Catch you in the next time.